Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican vegetable soup. Start by prepping vegetables. Wash, peel, and chop into even pieces for even cooking. Sauté aromatics gently until fragrant, then add stock and root vegetables. Simmer until tender, add greens near the end, adjust seasoning with salt and pepper, and finish with a squeeze of lime for brightness. Gather ingredients and measure everything before you begin to keep the cooking flow smooth. Choose a mix of roots and leafy greens and have your seasonings ready on the counter. Use stock for depth and a little water to control concentration. Keep Scotch bonnet whole if you want mild heat or chopped for stronger spice. Taste as you go and adjust to your preference. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling clean and bold, which pairs nicely with bringing soup to a potluck. Check the description for the purchase link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat oil in a pot and sauté the aromatics until they release their fragrance and soften. Add the root vegetables and pour in stock to cover, bringing to a gentle simmer. Cook until the roots are fork tender, then fold in the reserved greens and simmer just long enough to wilt them. Adjust salt, add black pepper, and finish with a small splash of lime for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.